Hey guys, welcome back to ConfermentRM YouTube Channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Getting ourselves back into another 2-minute technicals video looking at Bitcoin. And as we can see, we were kind of discussing last night, our possible retracement because of having our ceiling here around like 31,000, 36 bucks. But we were talking about that, and you can see almost to a T. We tried moving up for that, and huge rejection, and actually moved that full width back down. You move up the width of the channel, get rejected from the top, and actually yeeted itself right back down, holding itself right here around the 382, which is good to see. But as you guys can tell, that's like the middle of the range. If we were talking about that weird sideways Fibonacci, if you guys remember that. Actually, I could bring it up real quick, but let's see. I guess you could say something more like this. You can see the top here to the bottom here, going across. It looks like we pretty much came to the bottom of that region. But obviously, if we took the wick a little bit more to the downside, you're sitting here around 30,000. So it looks like Bitcoin's still going to be staying above 30,000 for the remainder of the next week and a half. You guys see how many days can grab here to here. It's about 2 weeks. It's about 13 days. It's going to be in about 2 Wednesdays. We'll be seeing a break, and you guys can see that I have it lined up over here on the side. For a break by that day, at the latest, we'll be seeing around 32.5 to around 32.9, just about. I would say, I don't think you get a wick up here any further, but I think you're going to get up here because once it explodes and it's able to push through, you get that conviction, you get that push, you get the narrative that comes along with it, and you get that price explosion. At the moment, you can see we're just trending back and forth. That's all it is. If we want to go here into 1 hour, you can go crazy and you can figure out what the daily trend is, what tomorrow's price action will be 100%. Well, not 100%. Obviously, everything's speculative, but you can grab. Oh, I keep grabbing the same Fibonacci by accident here, and we see why did it keeps on just grabbing the chart that I'm on. Let's see. We'd zoom ourselves in. All right, so you can go over here, grab your fib retracement, do from the top to the bottom like this. You can see, get through 30,407. You're going to go to about 30,500. Our retracement zone is around 30,685. From here, you can also grab yourself a nice little trend line. You can come up to the bottom. You can do something more like this if you really wanted to. You can connect those dots. That makes sense. You're going to have a floor rising up. You could even decide to, maybe not so much like that. Maybe you could, because that looks like a short-term trend here. You could have this going on right here. Looks like it's coming to around like the 13th. So tomorrow makes sense hourly. And you're going to get like a move that's going to pop itself back up to, that 30,700, just, 30,685. By midday tomorrow. That's just kind of my thoughts. So that's on the table. Or you're going to look at that, a retest at the bottom of the trend around 30K. That's okay. Obviously, tomorrow's a little more bearish. You're going to see it push to the downside. But you can see it's basically just going to play the range. It's going to play the range until that second Wednesday being the 26th. But let's see what happens, guys. Hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Appreciate every single one of you. Remember, none of it's financial advice, just my personal thoughts and opinion. You guys know how it is. And I'll see you guys in the next one.